evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with my new poem, that is The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. Before we start the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it, share and like the video so that more and more students can get benefit from it. So let's start it. First of all, let's explain the title. This is a story of a dragon whose name is Custard. Okay, so as I have told, this is a story, but if you have seen, this is one type of poem. So when through a poem we tells a story. जब हम poem के through या song के through किसी story को सुनाते हैं, then that is known as ballad. ठीक है, उसे हम ballad कहते हैं. ठीक है, एंड होता क्या है इसमें कि वी आर टेलिंग द स्टोरीज. देखो पुराने टाइम में क्या होता था, इन ओल्डर टाइम्स द किंग्स एट द टाइम ऑफ द किंग्स एंड क्वींस वर देयर. ओके, द पोएट्स एंड द अदर पीपल जैसे बंजारे वगैरह होते हैं, दे यूज टू मूव हेयर एंड देयर एंड टेल द स्टोरीज ऑफ देयर किंग्स बाय सिंगिंग, ओके, और बाय इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ पोएट्री. ओके, उनके बहादुरी के किस्से. ठीक है, तो दे यूज टू टेल, so that is known as ballad. So this poem is also a humorous ballad close to a parody. Parody is a literary device, okay, you can say poetic device, which tells us that this is a piece of writing that copies the style of something in a funny way. जब हम किसी के स्टाइल को कॉपी करते हैं बहुत ही फनी मैनर में, सो उसे क्या बोलते हैं, पैरोडी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम. इन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा वी विल रीड अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द फैमिली ऑफ ब्लिंडा. ओके, ब्लिंडा इज अ स्मॉल गर्ल. ब्लिंडा lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a really truly a little pet dragon. So in this one, first of all, let's see who are there in this one. You can outside you can write introduction of the family. Blinda, a small girl, okay, who was living in a white house, a small white house. With whom she was living in the house? Number 1, a little black kitten, बिल्ली का बच्चा, ठीक है, and a little grey mouse. Number 2, a little yellow dog. Number 3, a little red wagon means car. Number 4, and a really truly means really truly little. Number 5, pet dragon. These are the 5 pets which she had. Now let's see the figure of speech or poetic devices in this first stanza. If you will see, little, the full word is repeated in the second line, so it is a repetition. Or if you see this word and a, the first letter is repeated, that is assonance. Okay, same in the next line, a little and a. Okay, but if we see line 3 and 4, here first word is and a, fourth word is fourth line also first word is and a. I had told you in my previous video, when first word of 2 consecutive lines are repeated or same, then those are anaphora. So here it is anaphora. Then here is realio, trulio. See, in reality, realio and trulio are not any word. Okay, the poet had molded the word. Okay, instead of really, he has used io. Okay, so they have given one device to it, that is known as poetic license. why it is poetic license? Because the poets have the power that they can mold the letters of the word. Why they do this? So that they could give rhyme to their poem. Okay, sometimes you have seen at last they have written care. Okay, so this is E. Why they write like this? So that they can give the proper pronunciation, so you can say rhyming word to the poem. ठीक है? Then little pet dragon. Here also one poetic device is there, that is oxymoron, when two opposite words come together. How two opposite words have come? Like pet dragon. Dragon is a wild animal. Pet means the animal to whom we keep at home, पालते हैं जिनको. एंड ड्रैगन एक वाइल्ड एनिमल है, तो एक वाइल्ड एनिमल के लिए पेट वर्ड यूज़ किया हुआ है. दैट इज़ द रीज़न इट इज़ एन ऑक्सीमोरॉन. Okay, now in the second stanza you will see there are the names of the pets. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, number 1, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, number 2, and the little yellow dog was Sharp as Mustard, number 3, but the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard, number 4. Coward means डरपोक. And here same and the little anaphora. Okay, so here you have to learn the names of the animals. Okay, very simple it is. Now let's go to the next stanza in which they had told the qualities of a dragon. Okay, so Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth, number 1, the spikes on the top of him, number 2, and scales underneath, number 3, mouth like a fireplace, number 4, chimney for a nose, number 5, and really or truly or daggers on his toes, number 6. Now see qualities: sharp teeth, spikes on the top, कांटे होते हैं उसकी बॉडी के, कांटे जैसे होते हैं ना, बहुत तिखे तिखे स्पाइक्स. ठीक है, बॉडी के अपर पार्ट पे. ठीक है, और जो बीनीथ पार्ट होता है, ठीक है, वहाँ पे इस तरीके से स्केल्स होते हैं, लाइन्स टाइप. ठीक है, माउथ लाइक अ फायर प्लेस. सी नाउ माउथ इज कंपेयर टू अ फायर प्लेस बाय यूजिंग अ लिंकिंग वर्ड, सो इट इज सिमिली. ओके, सिमिली क्या होता है? व्हेन a word is compared to other or showing the similarity to other with or by using linking word as और like. जब हम as और like जैसे लिंकिंग वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके दो वर्ड्स का, दो सेंटेंसेस का, ठीक है, कि सिमिलैरिटी को शो करते हैं, तो वो सिमिली होता है. तो यहाँ पे माउथ को सिमिलर शो किया गया है. किसके साथ? फायर प्लेस. क्यों किया गया है? क्योंकि वो मुंह से आग निकलती है ना ड्रैगन के. दैट इज़ द रीज़न. सो इट इज़ नंबर 4. Chimney for a nose, number 5. See, when it is done by using linking word, then it is simile. But when the another word takes its part, okay, it means takes its place, okay, without using like or as similarity is shown, then that is metaphor. चिमनी फॉर अ नोज, बिकॉज वाई दे हैव यूज, क्यों किया है? क्योंकि नाक में से धुआं निकलता है इसीलिए. एंड डैगर्स ऑन हिज टोज, अगेन मेटाफर. जो उसका पंजा होता है, टोज होते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब कि शार्प होते हैं नेल्स वगैरह जो हैं सारे, तो इसीलिए उसको डैगर्स, छुरे से कंपेयर किया गया है, नाइफ। That much is for today's video. We will complete it in another 2 videos. Bye students.